I have failed to log into YouTube Studio dashboard because of account action required. So in this tutorial, I'll handle two things: account action required and this action isn't allowed. So if you have such kind of issue with you, make sure to watch this video until the end, never to skip any part in case you want to succeed in all the steps. So hello guys, welcome back again. So the first step that I'll take you is account action required. So what happens when you open YouTube Studio dashboard, or when you try to log into your Google account and you fail to log in because of account action required? So what happens here? Whenever someone tries to log into your account, or whenever someone tampers entering into your account, or if you happen to change your password or email, you'll always have such kind of stuff. For example, if I open my phone from here, you can see that I have access to it, but after changing the password, if I try to clear all stuff and try to go back to YouTube Studio dashboard and I try to open it, you'll find that it will show this account action required. So this is because I have changed the password and it will request for that new password that I've used. And now, how do you overcome this? So if you have such kind of thing, or if someone tampers into entering to your password, so what you have to do is you need to change the password and you follow these procedures. Like if I try from here will fail, so you have to click on forgot the password and then you follow your procedures for the recovery and to confirm your password. Google has tried to make us different kind of verification for your security, and so this is one of the way on how your email or your account is secure. And once you get the verification code, that will be sent via either via the email that you have used or via the phone number. Then if you verify that, it will go on, and once you open it, you'll find that your account will be back. So let's look at this action isn't allowed. What happens here? So when you receive this action isn't allowed, this means that you have been terminated from YouTube, and it means you will not access Google products. Even if you try YouTube, you will not log in with your YouTube channel, it will be cancelled for that. So that means that it may result into permanent termination of your channel. It may be either due to the videos you have been uploading which violated the policy, and this always happens after getting the third strike. So I have made a video which is in this down there, so you click on it and follow all the steps that I guided there and how you can recover your channel. So thank you guys.